Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. This is the June update. Finally, saying finally because it is already the 15th of June. A lot of other countries already got it. Performance of the camera has been improved, the security of your device has been improved. And those two things mean actually a lot. Security of the device, meaning that I'm gonna go from the May security patch to the June security patch, which is quite okay. It's almost like middle of June, which is a bit too late compared to what I'm used to. But the performance of the camera has been improved is something I've been eagerly waiting. Samsung made a promise to fix the camera experience, fix the shutter lock, fix the way you use to zoom in, zoom out the pictures. And they said it, we're gonna deliver with the June update. This is something I'm gonna be putting here down to the test. Also, what I do wanna test, and I ask you actually only one guy reply, but I ask you guys, what do you want me to test? So it's kind of like UI smoothness, performance of the phone, battery, stability, and of course, camera. So performance of the camera, this is really very important. Now, before I download the update, I'm gonna show you how the phone behaves with the May update. I'm gonna walk you around the application so that you can just see all the transitions. You can just see with your own eyes the level of smoothness, right? Then I'm gonna open the camera. I'm gonna be doing some pictures. I'm gonna be zooming in, zooming out some of the pictures so that you can also see how fast the camera is. What about the shutter lock? And last but not least, I'm gonna be running a Geekbench on the May update and then a Geekbench on the new June update to be able to compare somehow the performance. All right, first things first, let me just now show you. I have a lot of applications opened. In fact, this phone is heavily used by one of my kids. A lot of games, Brawl Stars and etc. So this is the level of smoothness we have right now, right? You can just see. Let me just walk you around. Recents menu, all right. I'm gonna go to the first application. Okay, let me just open Brawl Stars. Again, this is a heavy intense game, guys. Okay, so game started. Gonna try to exit the game. All right, see the animations? Okay, there was like a stutter there. Play Store. Okay, gonna opening Play Store, closing it. Okay, so that you can really see the level of smoothness. All right, I'm gonna be opening and closing this application rapidly so that you can see what happens. Now I'm gonna open also the camera. This here is the May update. This here is the camera. Go out, go in. All right, you can all see the level of smoothness. There are some stutters indeed. Okay, I'm just gonna do it a bit more. Going out, going in. Right, it is not so smooth, guys. It is absolutely not so smooth here in the May update. One more time. All right, going out, going in. Now I'm gonna be doing some pictures. Okay, you see, it's not quick at all. There is this shutter lock. It is not quick at all. Listen, see here what I'm doing with my finger. Listen to the sound. Definitely not working the way it should work really for a flagship phone. All right, those are whole pictures I made. I'm gonna be showing you right now some zooming in, zooming out of pictures. Those are some pictures I made. Okay, double tap. I think zoom in, zoom out works quite okay. No stutter here. All right. Quite okay. You can also change the background effects here. Okay, let me just apply that one. I would say manipulating pictures is not as bad, but there is a significant camera shutter lag. All right, I'm starting Geekbench right now to see the results. Running the May update. After this, I'm going to be installing the June update, and I'm going to repeat the same steps, same applications, same camera testing, same performance testing, so that we can just assess the level of smoothness of the new UI. And then, guys, let me know in the comments what you think. And here is the result. Running the May update, 875 on the single core, 2694 on the multi-core, right? You can see here the detailed test, right? Single core comparison, multi-core comparison. Before we install the June update, let me check some things. I want to check the versions. So this is gonna be the home screen 12.1077, all right? Another thing I'm always checking is the version of the security, biometrics and security, more biometric settings, biometric security patch, okay? Right now the fingerprint is 5101, the face recognition is 20115, okay. What we can also then check is the version of the internet browser, right? Let's try to do so. Click here, application info, 14035. All right, now we can proceed with downloading and installing the latest June update. It's gonna be the AUF2 version, and as you can see, security patch level is from June and the size is almost half a gigabyte. Some countries get 2 June updates, right? My case, I only getting directly this June update, and again, all my eyes are gonna be really on the camera experience, specifically in the area of camera shutter lock. Camera shutter lock is the moment you press the button until the picture is taken. See, I can show this on my other phone, the Mi 11 here, right? Pressing, picture almost taken immediately. What happens when I press repeatedly, right? See, this is Google camera, okay? Doesn't really work in the best way, right? And we're gonna be seeing how this performs on the S21 Plus after the update. So I'm gonna press install now and let's stay tuned. All right. First boot, finishing system update. That's what I'm talking about, all right? But in the meantime, we can still go inside and we can do some checks. So first thing we're gonna go software update, security patch level from the 1st of June. Version here is AUF2, okay? Now let's do some checks. Let's go to the settings, home screen, 12.1.07.30. Let's check the version for the browser. 14035, just about the same, I guess. All right, experience slowdown after software update. Now you know I always do this. We can run Galaxy Labs to optimize your applications and etc. Now in this case, I'm not gonna be doing this because I just want to see really like the pure experience. Okay, now everything here stopped and we can start the test. Let me just open the recent applications. You can see all my applications as before. All right. Opening, closing, okay. Do you notice any change? I think it runs a bit smoother, to be honest. Let's open Spotify. Oh, Spotify definitely quicker, guys. I think the stuttering is gone right now. All right. Okay, let's go into Brawl Stars. That's what I did also in the May update. Oh, I think it was indeed a bit quicker. All right. Okay. Play Store. All right, let's open Play Store. What do you think? Is this a bit different compared to what we've seen in the May update? Okay, maybe a bit better, but okay, now the moment of truth. Let's open the camera. Okay, I'm gonna be opening the camera, guys. Let's see, that's the camera. Okay, same settings here, and let me just start with the camera shutter lock. Oh, was it a bit better? Let me just try to zoom. Yeah. Nah, I think it's the same, guys. Maybe it's a bit better, just this tiny bit. Okay, let's now open the camera, open and closing the camera. Opening the camera, all right. No, honestly, I don't think it's better. At least on my phone, guys, you see all the lags here, all the stuttering. Don't really think it made huge difference. Honestly, that's my experience, right? Okay, Now, let me just try to close the camera, okay? Let me just try to open the camera again. Opening the camera may be a bit faster, but when you switch back to the home screen and you open the camera, that's what you get. Not so pleasant. Honestly, I cannot say huge improvements. Let's also run Geekbench. Now wait a minute. Single core 411, multi-core 1836, this doesn't really sound right. Look, with the May update I had 875 and 2694, okay? So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to restart the phone and do some more testing. Probably phone needs a restart. So I restarted the phone, and as you can see, all my apps here are still there. I'm gonna close Geekbench and I'm gonna open it again. I just hope that I'm gonna get a better result, cause this ain't real. Alright, run CPU benchmark. Okay, now the second result, 6141711. It's definitely lower than what I had in the May update. Cannot really explain this. Let me just open again camera. I want to see the camera performance. So I'm gonna take the phone in my hand. Camera open, okay. Okay, now is this a bit better, guys? I think right now, after the second restart, camera experience is actually better. Okay. Yeah, definitely stutter is not so heavy. Okay, let's now also test the shutter lag. Oh, yeah, maybe just a tiny bit better. Okay, let's do this again. Yeah, but the camera UI definitely works better. Now after the second restart, I think this time Samsung got it right. So this time I think the camera opens a bit better. Now again, it's not iPhone iOS smooth kind of, but still does the job. Alright guys, I really hope that you liked the video a lot and extensive testing. I'm gonna be also able to share thoughts on the battery life after some days. If you're not subscribed to the channel, change this now please. Deeply appreciate it. Stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, we are still over and bye.